The AI wake-up call, your YouTube creative extinction event. Let's cut the garbage. AI is coming for your creative career. It's not a co-pilot, it's a bulldozer. You are standing on the brink of an extinction event for content creators. You need to confront the truth. AI will either be the force that makes you obsolete or the weapon that lets you dominate your niche. This video isn't about if you use AI. It's about how you weaponize it. By the end of this, you will know the 3 essential AI workflows that will cut your production time in half and triple your output. If you're still a small channel, this is your wake-up call. Listen, you quit because the grind broke you. You spent 8 hours scripting, 6 hours editing, and then wondered why no one watched. You lost because you were trying to do the work of a team by yourself. You are not a content creator, you are a manual laborer. The truth is, AI isn't taking your creative job. It's taking your idiot-level admin job. You need to fire yourself from those manual tasks. Use this technology to transition from a burnt-out producer to a high-leverage creative director. This is the non-negotiable 3-step AI workflow you need to implement today. Solution 1. Idea validation. Stop guessing. Your first failure point is your ideas. Stop guessing. You need to film what the audience is searching for. Forget scrolling for inspiration. You are a business, not an artist. Use the AI features in a high-leverage analytics software or a powerful language model. You need to run a low-competition scan. This prompt is your filter. Asterisk. Give me 5 low-competition video ideas that target creators stuck between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers. Provide a high-centered title, a primary keyword phrase, and a 2-sentence video hook. You use this to validate the topic before you waste a single minute filming. Time saved? 1 hour of pointless brainstorming. Solution 2. Scripting. You are not a writer. Stop staring at a blank page. The blank page is for hobbyists. Your job is to inject your personality. The AI's job is to build the architecture. Use this 3-part growth prompt to force your language model to do the heavy lifting. Asterisk, act as a viral YouTube coach. I am creating a video titled, Your Video Title. Generate a comprehensive video outline with 5 main sections, including a strong hook and a dedicated call to action. For each section, provide 3 bullet points of key talking points, and suggest a visual that would keep the viewer engaged. You provide the examples and the emotion. The AI handles the pacing, the structure, and the transitions. You save 2 hours and end up with a better script than you would have written yourself. Solution 3. Repurposing. Get offline. If you only upload long-form content, you are leaving subscribers on the table. Shorts are your subscriber magnet, and you're manually clipping them like it's 2012. Upload your main video to dedicated vertical video software and let the AI find the 5 most viral moments. It crops them, adds the magnetic captions, and gets them ready for upload in minutes. You should be creating 5 to 7 shorts from every long video. This process should take you under 10 minutes. This isn't a nice to have. It's the fastest path to new subscribers in 2025. Time saved. 4 hours of painful editing, conclusion, and strong CTA. Look at the clock. We just saved you over 7 hours this week. 7 hours of manual labor is now 7 hours you can spend perfecting your thumbnails or planning your next high-value video. Here is your final warning. The biggest threat to human creativity isn't a lack of ideas, it's your refusal to adapt. You will either evolve alongside AI, or you will be a relic. The choice is yours. Stop wasting time. Hit the subscribe button now, and here's the best part. I promised you the tools. In my next video, I will show you, step by step, the exact names and interfaces for the 3 free or cheap AI tools that power these workflows. How to see the tools and a full tutorial on how to use that viral script prompt to write your next successful video. Go!